Hey guys, welcome back to Falcon Chuck. Today we're playing Clone Drone in the Danger Zone. So let's make a new human. Howard House. Favorite color red. Occupation carpenter. Ooh, they hit me pretty bad. Got one. Got him. Bronze tier seems pretty hard either way. I mean, I feel like bronze tier should just be one or two dudes. Oh no. Okay, so let's do this. That's pretty cool though. Boing! I saw these one dudes, they're like, not Spidertron, they're like spear robots, big spear dudes. They look a little bit like Spidertron. Got bigger hammer size, so. Okay, now this is pretty easy. How is level 3 bronze easier than level 2 bronze? I think I might get a clone this time. Yeah, clone. Flame Raptor. On bronze 4? Oh wait, this is silver. Sorry. I think this might be my favorite map. Is that a... Oh no. Hate Flame Raptors. They're really hard. Ooh, okay, that was a big hit. Get back up, get back up. How is he not dead? Okay, so we're doing good. Level 5, still in silver. Let's go with another clone. And then next game, I think we're gonna get bigger hammer size. I think we're doing pretty good. Next video I might do the challenge for the flame hammer. See if I can beat it because I really like the hammer. we still have another clone here. I don't really like the spear. Find it harder. Oh, not doing well right now. Hit a lot of times. We're done. But almost. Let's just go kill Spidertron right now. Oh my god, there are guys up here too. Did not know that. Gosh, darn it! Spidertron! Bad Spidertron! Got him. Now all that's left is... He's just like the cannon! How is he alive? If he somehow beats me, I'm gonna be so mad. I mean, I'd be fine if Spidertron 6000 beat me, but Spidertron 5000 with just the cannon left? This might take me a minute. Let's get a repair, just because I don't want to be waddling around. I meant hopping around everywhere. Jeez. Could have just attached a leg. Not burn me to death. Okay. Come on. Oh my god. Do not like this. I hate these purple dudes. I find them super hard. Oh. Well, I died. Got to level 7 in gold. My best was on Darcy Ward. I got 10. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Falcon Shark.